Is maize roasting a profitable business idea in Kenya? The answer is yes, and a very big yes. Now, if you have ever thought of starting such a business or you have such a thought, I want to give you a tutorial on how to do it step by step and all material that you need. So if it's your first time here, please remember to hit the subscribe button below for notifications whenever we have a new video. Number one, before you start this business, there are things that you need. That is the capital. Capital ni ya kununua zile material muhimu ambazo unahitaji. So material ambazo unahitaji kwa hii biashara, number one is jiko. Number two, unahitaji chako. Number three, unahitaji kamesh. Ile kamesh kidogo tu yenye unaekelea mahindi hapo juu. So the jiko will go at a price of 300 Kenya shillings. Siko na different sizes. Kuna size kubwa, size dogo. But for now, let's work with 300 Kenya shillings. Makaa utanunua ya 50 bob, 400 Kenya shilling, 50 bob only. Then kamesh utanunua kadogo ka 50 bob. So in total, jiko yako na makaa na mesh zote zitakuja pesa ngapi? Zitakuja 400 Kenya shillings. So that is the capital ambayo unahitaji kuanzisha hii biashara. Let's go to point number 2. Ni factor gani unafaa kuconsider kwanza kabla hujaanzisha this business? Number 1 is location. Location is everything. Remember you are targeting the people. So kitu ya kwanza, ensure unakaa mahali kuko na watu wengi. Mahali watu wanapita wengi. Inaweza kuwa ni kwa stage, inaweza kuwa ni kando ya barabara. But make sure ni mahali kuna jam ya watu. Usiende kuweka huko ndani, mahali hakuna watu wanapita. Mahali watu wapiti, you'll be disappointed. Ensure you get a very good strategic location. That's good. The last one now, I want us to go to the profit margin. Profit margin. So, chukua bairo yako, right there, the stock. Stock ni ile mzigo ambayo utahitaji ndiposa uweze kuanzia biashara nayo. Ile utanunua, utaimport. So let's say uanzie na stock ya 30. Ununue tu mahindi 30. You see? If you buy at a wholesale na ukinunua mingi kwa mtu mmoja, sasa hii mahindi imepanda atakuuzia at let's say 15 Kenya shillings. Get it? So, piga hiyo hesabu. Stock ya 30 times 15 ni ngapi? 450 Kenya shillings. Yes, now let's continue. In Kenya as at now, a roasted maize, it is sold at how much? 30 Kenya shillings. Now you have a stock of 30 maize. So let's do the mathematics together. 30 multiply by 30, how much money do you get from selling them? You'll get 900 Kenya shillings. Are we together? Now, let us now do the profit that we got. 30 times 30, we got it is 900 Kenya shillings. And the maize we bought at 15. So 30 times 15, we bought the maize at 450 Kenya shillings. Subtract 900, subtract 450. So what is the profit? 450 Kenya shillings. Imagine. And remember, this 450, we have worked with the stock of 30. And maybe you have worked for 2 hours or 3 hours. in evening hours. That is the best time when people take maize when they are going home, they're coming from work, or mostly evenings. So one day you have made 450 Kenya shillings. What if you do it for 1 week, multiply by 7? Let's see how much you have made by that week. You'll have made 3,150 Kenya shillings. Imagine, in 1 week, only 7 days. Then, let's say you continue doing it and you do it for the whole month. Multiply by that 150 multiply by 4 itakuwa ni pesa ngapi? Mathematicians, please help us here. Kumeanza kushikana. Itakuwa ni 12,600 Kenya shillings by the end of the month from roasting the maize only. So if you have a good luck, you go increasing your stock such that a day you can sell 50 mahindi hamsini. Imagine how much money you can make. So if you have ever thought of starting this business of roasting a maize, get 400, go start your own business. Do not let anyone show you that it cannot work. It will work for you, and you have the evidence from this side. Thank you very much. Now roll your sleeves and get to work. Kazi ni mingi, wafanyikazi ndio wachache. Give it a try now. Thank you for watching. If it's your first time and you have learned something new, you can share this video to your friends, and also remember to subscribe below, and you can leave a comment here if you have any question or anywhere you want us to clarify or any video that you want us to do. We assure you we'll do as long as we are helping one another. Thank you very much. See you in my next video. Kwaheri.